Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark. In this lecture, we are going to go over how to say this in Russian, which is not super complicated, but it's slightly more complicated than you might think just looking at it. So let's dive in. Let's start off by how to say this is or these are in Russian. And to say this is or these are, we use the word это. And it does not change. It's always это in the meaning of this is or these are. So we can say это мой брат. This is my brother. Это моя сестра. This is my sister. Это мои книги. These are my books. We always say это for that meaning. However, to say this in Russian as a demonstrative pronoun, we have to use the correct form of этот, and it must match the noun it modifies in gender, case, and number. So we can say, этот учебник мой. This textbook is mine. Учебник is masculine, so we say этот. Эта книга моя. This book is mine. Книга is feminine, so we say это with an а. Это пальто моё. This coat is mine. Пальто is neuter, so we say это. And эти ручки мои. These pens are mine. Ручки is plural, so we say эти. Notice how этот and мой both match their nouns in gender, case, and number. So учебник is masculine, we say этот and мой. Книга – это моя, пальто – это моё, ручки – эти мои. So there you have it. I hope you found that pretty straightforward and you can start using it without further ado.